Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to copy a Pinterest embed code for your website. So to start with, you need to go to your home feed. And when you're scrolling through Pinterest, if you see an image that you like and you want to add it to your website, you can grab the embed code. So say I've got a website about dogs. I'd be scrolling through and I like one of the puppy pictures and I want to get the embed code to put that picture on my website. So all you have to do is you click on the image, then you click on the three dots and scroll down till you see get pin embed code. So click on that and you can see it gives you the options of small, medium, large and extra large. So that means the height and width of the image will be changed. Just be aware that, the larger the picture you go for, it might distort the picture slightly, but you can go in and change the height and the width once you've copied the code yourself to customize it. So that's it. That's how you get an embed code to put onto your website. If you like a picture on Pinterest, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.